Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another round of coffee and questions. This is the second one I'm throwing up probably in the same day. My neighbor bought one of these. I didn't buy it. I went over to look at it, decided to do a little bit of a review on it and show you how you can get this for a ridiculously low price if it's something you're interested in. Now, what this is for is you can put your iPhone, Android on the back here like you see in the picture, and then it explodes it up. Sometimes 3 times magnification, it says. I suppose that's about where it is. Comes in real handy if you have somebody in your family where, you know, their eyesight isn't that good, or elderly people. But he also uses it out in his workshop for using, like he does a lot of like repair work on electronics and stuff like that. So he uses it out there to help magnify for those reasons too, but primarily used for your phone. It's a nice handy little device. And if you use that code up here that I'm showing you at checkout, you'll get it for this low price also. Maybe there's somebody in your family that can use it. But let me show you a few slides real quick before we end the video. All right, so we're back here. So it's something for you to consider if you think that there's somebody that can use it or you want to give it to them as a gift. I would encourage you, like I said, I don't know how long the sale lasts. Go ahead, drop it in that box on Amazon and buy it on your way out. Just use the coupon code. Anyway, we want to thank you. I'll keep bringing you these deals. I hope you click subscribe, drop a comment if you know something better, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.